Hello and welcome to your new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. If you don't know me already, I create premium WordPress plugins and sell them on CodeCanyon. So today I want to share with you the configuration of one of my websites that I built recently. So this website is a niche website for Hungarian people. Because I also know Hungarian, this website was easy to build for me. So it is still in its raw form. I still need to make much work and still need to invest some work in it to promote it and to launch it, and also to change its looks and to add more content to it. So far it contains Hungarian video articles. And this is the theme I used until now. However, I plan to change it. Now let's have a look on the back end of the site. So it uses the YouTube-O-Matic and Vimeo-Matic plugins. So these two plugins are used by it. And let's have a look on a post, for example this.
Melyik csatornán milyen?
So you will have the YouTube video and its description here. I also plan to add the transcript for the video to get more textual content, which is really great. Okay, so this is the configuration. If you see here, the keyword search is everything, so it should import everything, and it imports from a specific channel. Source channel ID is this. So all rules that import everything import from a specific channel. So each imports from a Hungarian channel. Also, user content is also imported by me. You can specify from which user you wish to import content and not channel. Keep in mind, users and channels are two different stuff. So user and the username from YouTube, from where you wish to import your content. And I have 2.5 pages of rules. So here are the users I import content from. Okay, I also import content from Vimeo, but this is only a little part of the content for the website. So not much is from video. The vast majority is from YouTube. I imported from video only in the scope to build an automated YouTube channel. So if we go to YouTube, then we can check this channel also, which has some videos uploaded. These videos were automatically uploaded. They were downloaded from Vimeo and re-uploaded to YouTube. So how this was done is that the Vimeo-Matic plugin posted content from Vimeo using this rule, and the YouTube-O-Matic plugin has the post to YouTube configured, and it posted each time the Vimeo-Matic plugin published a new video on the blog. The YouTube-O-Matic plugin published the video also on this YouTube channel. Okay, so the YouTube-O-Matic made two functions. It imported videos from YouTube and published them on my blog, and also published automatically videos from Vimeo that the Vimeo-Matic plugin published, and published them automatically to the YouTube channel I created and assigned it to it. Okay, so let us check also plugins that I have. Add inserter, a Kismet, all 404 errors redirect to homepage, all-in-one CEO, contact form 7, classic editor, loginizer, open external links in a new tab, video thumbnails, the Vimeo-matic plugin, VP page Navi, post view, hide login, and the YouTube-matic plugin. So these are the plugins I use for this blog. However, this blog is still in its raw form and it is still starting up, so it is starting to gain momentum. I can also show you the analytics for this blog. So as you can see, it was created in August. It has only 1 month age. It started getting some hits and started getting some clicks from search results. If we check the organic search is the top source for this automated blog. So yeah, I also plan to add Facebook sharing, Instagram sharing, maybe Pinterest. This is also great. And each time the YouTube-matic plugin publishes a new post, then the social plugins should share the content on each social network that is assigned for this plugin, for this blog. Okay, so yeah, I will keep updated you guys on how this blog will function and how this new project I created will perform. And yeah, if you wish, you can make a similar project, a similar niche site, and after you created some momentum for it and you have it rolling, you can also add AdSense to it or other affiliate network links or whatever you wish. There are many possibilities to monetize the blog you created. However, this should be done only when you have some traffic. So I don't do this because I don't have the required traffic and ads would not monetize well. However, I think in a couple of months I will manage to get some decent traffic for this new blog I created and will be able to monetize it, to start monetize it. Okay, so yeah, this is all for now. I hope I taught you some interesting stuff on how to configure an autoblog, and I will link in this video's description with the plugins that were used in this video for this blog, the Vimeo-matic and the YouTube-matic plugin. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and until next time, have a great day, guys. Bye bye.